general educators, even though the government has implemented inclusive education, a lot of times, and I wouldn't blame any general educator because they are actually having 50, 60 children in a classroom. So looking after such children with autism actually then becomes the role of the resource room teacher. If the school has, in every school that is implementing inclusive education, generally they have resource rooms and they employ special educators. So the general educators feel that this child is basically the responsibility of the special educator. But that cannot be the case. This child is in your class. A special educator can only facilitate his learning outside that class. But in the class, it's your job to teach him and be responsible for his learning outcomes. You see? So that needs to be understood by general educators, and it's not their fault. It's just that they haven't been told that this is your job. This child's learning is as important as your other children. Okay? So you need to make sure that he learns. It cannot be the role of a special educator. And if it has to, then I feel it's collaborative teaching. In certain portion of the curriculum should be taught by special educators also for two older children. So they also understand the issue that the general educator is facing in the class. So because otherwise they each function in their own area and don't understand what the other one is facing. Okay, so I think there has to be a collaborative teaching thing so that the general educator benefits by the knowledge of a special education. The LG sees how this teacher is working, and this teacher realizes the challenges this one is facing for working in 50, 60 children. And there has to be, I think schools should make collaborative teaching mandatory policy. I feel that will improve the situation. See, SRM is running your College of Occupational Therapy. Now, when the children come, when they are very young, therapies become very important. They are very important at that time, whether it's occupational therapy or speech and language therapy. That's time the parents are only concerned with that. And they feel that by giving therapy, the child will become okay. But the child will become okay when all the things, education plus therapy is given. So SRM is actually producing OTs. And that's an important thing because if you ask me, we are running short of OT now. So you have a lot of role to play. And you make people understand all the sensory issues that the child faces, and that overflows into his other functioning areas. Because of these sensory issues, his behavior problems increase, his ability to adjust to different environment increases. So these sensory issues, if they are taken care of, maybe he'll become a better adjusted learner. So there is a big role every month, every one of the therapists, as well as teachers and parents. So SRM is got a lot of good.